Let's take a look at how to align some objects within a scene. We'll start by placing some objects within our scene. I'll go ahead and make a circle, and then using the selection tool, I'll hold Alt and I'll click and drag, making copies of this. So I'll put some polka dots on the scene here. Okay, if you're not seeing the Align menu, go ahead and click on Window and choose Align. And that'll bring this up here. The top left icon aligns everything to the left. So it bases the calculations on what is selected. So if I only select 3, it's only going to align those 3. And it aligned it to the far left point. So if I select everything and click it, I get everything aligned to the left. And let's scatter these out again. And this time we'll align them to the right. So go ahead and select everything and click on this one where it says horizontal align right. And it aligns everything to the far right point. Okay, we'll scatter these out again. Okay, this time I'm going to select everything and I'm going to choose the second one from the left, so it's the one that has a line straight down the middle. If you click on that one, they're all going to align up in the center here. Okay, and you get the idea. If we select these and we choose this one, it'll align up to the top. If we select them and choose this one, it'll align this way. And if we select them and choose this one, it'll align towards the bottom. Okay, now let's take a look at these lower ones. These have to do with spacing. So suppose I've got them aligned a certain way, like for example, I've got them aligned down the center like this, but suppose I want them to be equally spaced between the top one and the bottom one. Then I would select everything, and everything, I'd select the top, the bottom, everything in between, and I would click on this one. It says vertical distribute center. Click on that, and you can see that they're equally spaced out now. And this other one that says horizontal distribute center basically does the same thing but horizontally. So that would be like if I had everything lined up this way and I wanted them equally spaced out, then I would click on this one, horizontal distribute center. And you can see that it equally spaces them. And it's a good thing to notice that it just makes the calculations on what's selected. As I said before, it in other words, if I have these lined up this way, but suppose I only select this amount and not these, well, it only spaces the ones in the selection. See, it didn't bother with these over here.